I have selected Bin London as a topic on this assignment. I would first like to show you a video made by Niaga on why we should redesign products and their production processes to promote resource efficiency, longevity, reuse, repair, and recycling, which minimizes pollution and also helps to achieve a more circular economy. Niaga is a company that Picoja mentioned in previous lectures. Carpets are traditionally made by using a set of complex materials glued together by latex. Separating and reusing these materials after use is nearly impossible. Niaga redesigned carpets and its manufacturing process in order to recycle its materials. Let's watch this video made by Niaga.
We are living in a material world. Stuff makes our life more comfortable and helps us to do more than we ever could without, from riding a bike to school to exploring other planets. But do you know what all that stuff you use on a daily basis is made of? What about your t-shirt? Might be cotton, but more likely it's a mix of different fabrics. And the chair you sit on? Wood, metals, plastics, maybe fabrics for the seating or a combination of all. It seems that innovation in the world of stuff has been dominated by constantly adding extra layers of complexity, to a point that no one really understands what stuff is made of anymore, or why it's made that complex. Mixing materials chemically are often irreversible processes, like frying an egg or baking a pie. You can't go back to the original ingredients. And this becomes a problem when stuff gets wasted. Separating all ingredients for recycling often becomes too costly, if not downright impossible. In effect, the vast majority of the trash still ends up being burned or landfilled, leaving us with polluted soil, a loss of valuable materials, and an increase of CO2 in the air. What can we do with all this trash piling up on us? We don't have to stop creating, but we can create things differently. So let's start redesigning stuff from a blank slate.
Bin London is a new brand that uses waste materials to produce beautiful bags. Materials that usually end up in landfills are the starting point of bin design process. These bags are made from tannery of cut leather, discarded clothes, single-use plastic bottles, and even apple skins. Now, let's watch a video made by Bin London.
My name is Zhenya. I'm a campaigner, journalist, and a mother of two little girls. Over the years, I've discovered more and more about how the fashion industry creates insane amounts of waste. Like loads of us, I feel really guilty about being part of the problem. Bean turns materials that would otherwise end up in landfill into gorgeous things that you want to use every day. For over a year, I've been working on developing something that actually reduces waste. I knew it had to be affordable and beautiful, something that I would buy myself. So it's really exciting to show you our very first product. It's a simple leather tote which fits everything a busy woman needs, from your laptop to your gym kit and even kids stuff. The material you see on the outside was once leather offcuts and trimmings, the kind of stuff that's usually chucked into rivers or landfill. While studying sustainability, I came across this amazing technology that reconstructs leather from waste trimmings. What they do is mill the offcuts into a powder and press the natural fibers onto a fabric core using high-pressure water and no chemical adhesives. And then for the lining and the zip tapes, we've used a fabric made of recycled plastic bottles. At Bin London, we take materials that would otherwise end up in landfill and turn them into premium, beautiful, everyday accessories. I started the company after studying sustainability and researching how much waste we're all creating. It was clear that millions of tons of perfectly good materials could be rescued and given a second life.